Looking to level up your content creation game? Want pro-level sound, stability, and lighting for your videos? Today, we're reviewing a microphone, tripod, and ring light that can transform your content instantly. Stick around, this setup could be a game changer for your YouTube or TikTok. Our first product is microphone. The Zeal Sound USB microphone is a versatile and high-quality microphone designed for gamers, podcasters, and content creators. It offers a seamless plug-and-play setup, compatible with multiple devices, including computers, laptops, PS4, PS5, and even iPhones and Android tablets. No additional setup is needed, making it perfect for beginners who want to start creating content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch with ease. Features: this microphone stands out with its precise mic gain control, allowing users to easily adjust volume and sensitivity for the best audio quality. Whether you're reducing room noise or enhancing voice clarity, the gain knob provides excellent control. Sound quality: the Zeal Sound USB microphone delivers superb sound quality, handling high sound pressure levels without distortion. Its cardioid polar pattern effectively reduces background noise, making it ideal for recording in less-than-perfect environments. Practical use: for real-time feedback, the microphone includes a 3.5mm headphone jack for direct monitoring, ensuring your audio levels are just right. Its 360-degree rotatable design allows flexible positioning, and the sturdy metal base keeps it stable during use. With its comprehensive accessory package, including USB and Type-C adapters, this microphone is ready to perform right out of the box. Looking for the perfect blend of portability and versatility in a tripod? In there, we're reviewing the KNF Concept 64-inch camera tripod, a lightweight powerhouse designed for travel, outdoor shoots, and live streaming. Stay tuned to find out why this tripod could be your new go-to for all your photography or vlogging needs. Introduction: the KNF Concept 64-inch camera tripod is the ideal companion for photographers and content creators on the go. With its adjustable 4-section legs, this tripod offers flexibility with a height range from 20.4 inches to 64.1 inches, yet folds down to a compact 15.3 inches. Weighing only 2.53 pounds, 1.15 kilograms, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it perfect for travel. It even comes with its own carrying bag, ensuring it's easy to take anywhere. Features: one of the standout features is the 360-degree metal ball head, which allows for smooth panning and precise shots. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or action scenes, this tripod gives you full control over camera positioning. The powerful flip leg locks make adjusting the tripod a breeze, allowing you to set it up with just one hand, a real-time saver for those who want to focus more on shooting and less on setup. Versatility and compatibility: what makes this tripod even more impressive is its versatility. The center column can be inverted for low-angle photography, perfect for macro shots or creative angles. Plus, with a load capacity of 8 kilograms, 17.6 pounds, and a standard 1/4 inch thread, it's compatible with most cameras, DSLRs, projectors, and even telescopes. And don't forget, it comes with a cell phone clip, making it an excellent choice for vloggers and live streamers. Conclusion: in summary, the KNF Concept 64-inch camera tripod offers a great mix of portability, flexibility, and strength. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain or live streaming from your studio, this tripod delivers reliability and precision. So, if you're looking for a dependable, lightweight option, this might just be the tripod for you. Our third product is ring light. Are you a makeup artist, or just looking to step up your selfie game? In this video, we're reviewing the 10-inch selfie ring light with a 63-inch tripod stand and RGB lighting modes. Stick around, because this ring light has some unique features that can take your videos, photography, and live streams to the next level. This 10-inch selfie ring light isn't just your ordinary lighting setup. With 48 RGB color modes, 12 adjustable brightness levels, and an impressive tripod stand that extends up to 63 inches, it's designed to fit every creator's needs. Whether you're recording a TikTok, doing a makeup tutorial, or shooting YouTube videos, this ring light ensures you're always in the best light, literally. Features: The RGB music follow mode is one of the standout features of this ring light. Once activated, the light changes color to the beat of the music, making it perfect for parties or dynamic video content. It also offers 3 traditional lighting modes: white, warm, and natural light, with a dimming range from 1% to 100%. With 38 dynamic modes and over 200 lighting options, it's easy to create the perfect atmosphere for any scenario. Practicality. The stability of the tripod is top-notch, made of aluminum alloy with a weighted base to ensure it won't tip over. It can extend from 15.7 inches to 63 inches, making it versatile for both tabletop and floor setups. It also comes with a phone and tablet holder that adjusts to almost any smartphone, along with a Bluetooth remote, allowing you to shoot hands-free and adjust your angles with ease. Conclusion. With its wide range of lighting options, sturdy tripod, and convenient accessories, this 10-inch selfie ring light is more than just a ring light, it's a complete lighting kit for any content creator. Whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or just capturing photos, this tool is sure to make a difference in your production quality. Thanks. For watching. If you're ready to upgrade your setup with a new mic, tripod, or ring light, buy the link in the description. Let me know which one caught your eye in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more gear reviews. See you in the next video.